Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will teach you Standard 6 English. Before going to start our remaining chapter 5 written work, I am telling you something about Essay 2. In Essay 2 you have 5 to 10 chapters. So let's start our remaining chapter 5 section C. In section C, question 3a, answer the following cross section. Let's see number 1. What did Miss Beam inform the author about the children in the playground? Answer is Miss Beam informed to the author that no child was lame, blind or crippled. They were in fact being made to understand misfortune. Every child had one blind day, one lame day, and dumb day. They were helped by other children. Means Mr. Beam informed to the author that no any child was lame, blind, or crippled. They were only doing the acting of the blind, lame, and crippled. And they know about to help each other. That's why Miss Beam was arrange all these things in the school. Let's see question 2. How has the girl with bandaged eyes impressed him? Means how the girl with bandaged eyes impressed author. Answer is the author was impressed when she told him about the head girl just by asking the details of her hair, height, etc. He was taken aback when she told him about the gardener. She told him about the activities of the gardener without saying. Means the author was impressed with the girl because she told him about the head girl just asking the detail of the head girl. And without watching backside, she also told him about the gardener and his activities. Let's see question 3. Why do you think the writer visited Miss Beam's school? Answer is, let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things. I shall be so glad when today is over. The author bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. I don't think I will mind being deaf for a day, at least not much. But being blind is so frightening. Author wants to know about the days were acted by the children. When he knew about it, he was also surprised or amazed to look the children with these activities. From the point of view of the children, the blind day is so frightening. Let's see question 3b answer the following poetry section. Question 1. How does the poet plan to find out? What will he do once he find out? Answer is the poet plans to follow one of the teachers on the way back home that day to find out what they did. Once he succeeds in doing so, he would compose it into a poem, which then those teachers would read to their students. Means poets plan to follow the teachers and watch his or her activity. What did they do all day in the house or outside? And after this, he would compose it into a poem. Let's see question 2 and last question of section C. Why was the poet dirty clothes? Answer: the poet always see their teachers nicely dressed, so it was unacceptable to him to think of worn and dirty clothes. Means poet always see the teachers wear nice dresses, so it was unacceptable to him to think to worn dirty clothes. I hope you all understood this question answers very well and you have to note down it in your notebook. Thank you.